Hey designer, this vlog is going to be about me moving from my smaller studio to a bigger studio which is double the size of my previous studio. I decided to document the whole process from moving to packing. I hope this vlog inspire or motivate any other designer who is also going through the same thing right now, moving from one fashion studio to another one, because the process is quite stressful. I am going to measure some skateboard for my new studio. This is going to be my new studio, guys. I can't wait. Can't wait to have all my fabric there, my sewing machine. Yeah, can't wait. Let me see, it's really big. I have a TV. There's a toilet as well. This is going to be so nice to have a mirror inside my studio. I can't wait. After I took all the measurements from my new studio, so I had to head off to a timber place. Designer, this was actually my first time going to a shop that they sell wood. I explained to them this is the total measurements that I need and the width, so they were really helpful. And the best thing as well is like they do next day delivery, which was so helpful. So next we head to a shop that they sell paint, and this time my partner actually came to the shop with me to help me to get the right painting, like the color. So that was really nice, because without him I had no idea what I was doing.
That was painted up here.
Oh, great.
Next we head off to a store that they sell a lot of like electronic. My partner just wanted us to look at a new TV because he wanted to replace the old TV that it was on my studio. This is the next day now, designer, so we hired someone to come and remove all the old skirting board. Hey guys, still getting the studio renovating. So this is the bathroom, but obviously I'm going to use as there's this storage. I can put a fabric there. And then it's at the top. I can put a small fabric as well. So we're still changing the skateboard. The guy has started already. And on that side, I love this mirror. I'm going to keep this kickboxing, so when I'm frustrating with the seam ripper, I can just do some kickboxing. Wow, my studio is coming along. The paint has been done. It looks amazing. It brings so much light. Hey guys, Handsome put a new TV for me. It's brand new. It's time to pack all this stuff. I have to say goodbye to this studio because everything's going to be packed tonight. Here I'm just folding all my fabrics. So usually what I do, designer, so all the fabrics that I'm planning to use for new projects, so I just hang them because I don't know if you know, so you always have to hang your fabric before you use. And all the fabrics that is on the bookshelves, that's all like my stock fabric. But then if I want to use any fabric, I just hang them. Yeah, this is my very special table. I love this table so much. That was the first time I actually assembled this table. So I'm really happy, proud of myself to doing that by myself. Time to pack all my sewing machine. All my sewing machine, they still have the original boxes because I keep them. Because every time I want to move, or if I'm moving the machine to different places, I just put them on like the original boxes to protect them. But this time I decided to do something different, which I don't recommend doing. Like if you do decide to do, that's at your risk. So what I did this time is that I decided to put my sewing machine on those containers, as you can see. But what I done first, I put a first layer of fabric at the bottom, and then I put my sewing machine after, and then I also put a lot of fabric on the side just to protect the machine, and they arrived okay. Thanks God. I did the same thing with my like cover stitch machine. And the other thing that I also do, designer, I was trying to put all the same color palette for my fabric in one like container or box, because like when you unpack, that'll be very easy. And as you can tell, I like my fabric to be color coordinated. At this stage, like your girl was already tired. Like, why did I tie those legs for the table? It was so tight, and there's no one to blame but myself because it was me who put those table legs. But in the end, I managed to get all the table legs off. As you can see, that I made quite a lot of progress. I still can't believe it that I literally pack all the stuff from my old studio like in 8 hours. Like, that's insane. Just doing last minute packing, been packing all night, almost done. Your girl was tired, and I was just trying to motivate myself and listen to some Afrobeat and dancing around to keep myself awake. So yes, your girl is tired. One thing as a designer I like to do, and I highly recommend anyone to do it if you do have like ring light, make sure you still keep your ring light boxes, because it's going to be so helpful anytime you have to move, or if you have to move your light box anywhere, because it will protect them. The removal guys, they have arrived, so and then they're just packing everything to the van. And yeah, designer, if you're in London, you're looking for any remover, do feel free to message me or DM me on Instagram, because I highly recommend those guys. It's not even sponsor or anything like that. It's just because those guys and the company is Tone and Ivan. I use them all the time ever since I found them, because the price is very reasonable, and then they do an amazing job. I highly recommend. My studio is all packed, it's empty. It's nice to see my old studio empty. So the removal guys, they just put everything in place, and your girl, I'm just trying to organize on a way that would be easier for me to unpack, and it's almost done. Tomorrow the plan is to start unpack, and yeah, unpacking. And the thing is that like for me, unpack is gonna be very easy, and it's the best thing This is one of the reasons I don't usually hire someone to pack for me, because Unpack is going to be very easy because I know exactly where everything is. Tired now, just gonna go cook a dinner for Hunter, dinner for us, and then relax.
So far, I still haven't decided where I'm gonna put the things where, but I know I'm probably gonna put the sewing machine on that side, the sewing machine table on that side, and then my overhead table on that side. So let's see how it's gonna work out. Because obviously you always move things around once you like settle in, but for now I'm just gonna try and put it the places where I want it to be.
I wanna give you a million things, cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your walls. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would give something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make